fill up the pressure on a Voyager tractor, you'll need to look for this flathead screw here on the top. Then we got one more on the bottom. On the camera, we have just one fill hole right here. So flathead screwdriver. These are special screws with an O-ring built into them. And there is a Schrader valve that lives just inside. We have our nitrogen kit. Once you put it on the canister, do not take it off or you'll lose all your pressure. We have a regulator. Just crank that all the way up. Make sure you have both O-rings on this side. And then it's just push in, squeeze, and there you go. Then we'll check on the diagnostics, see what our internal pressure is. So in the camera diagnostics, it shows us our pressure here. This camera has a leak, and that's exactly why we check it. There's also the system diagnostics on screen, but this just shows the pressure when you press the button to turn on the diagnostics, not the live pressure. This actually has the live pressure. Over here we can see the tractor pressure for the upper cavity and the lower cavity. The upper cavity looks fine, but the lower cavity needs some pressure. Once you're done pressurizing this, we'll put our screw back in here. Right. To pressurize the lower cavity, we're going to remove the same kind of screw here. Take our pressure kit. And there we go. Okay. Take our screw again. Pressurize the top. Remove that screw. Turn screw. Insert. Squeeze. When you're done with this, just turn off your regulator, leave the cylinder,